It's not all people who are clapping hands for you, you are doing good, they are happy. Other people, they are clapping hands for you, but they are not happy in their hearts. So be careful sometimes, guys. Don't tell people everything good you are doing in life. Even people, they are asking you, how is life? You are saying maybe we are trying, but hey, guys, your life is very hard. Even you know that it's very good, because a person is not happy to see you, your things are going well, or your business or your school things, you are doing good at school. So sometimes don't tell everyone, guys. People are not happy. You know that people, they can hate you, that you are achieving in life, you are doing good in life. Most of the people, they start hate you. People, they like you when you are failing in life, or you don't have anything, you have got poverty. People, they love you most of the time. But when you have got doing achievements, you are progress, you have got progress in your life. If you saw, even in friendship, maybe you are playing with that friend maybe long time ago in poverty, but now maybe we are start achieving your goals, your friend is start hating you. You can so that your friend maybe is not happy about your achievement, because maybe you are used to tell each other. But now you see your friend is different. Your friend is start hating you, something different, doesn't like you because of achievements. Even other people, they can yet start hating you because of your achievements. Don't tell people everything in your life.